Hello dear fans. What is sociology? The word sociology is translated as the science of society. It is believed that this term appeared in 1832 with the filing of the French philosopher Auguste Comte. Instructions. Step 1. Sociology is the science of society and its systems, social relations, social groups and communities, the laws of development and functioning of society. Sociology studies the internal mechanisms of social structures, the relationship between society and the individual, mass behavior of people and its laws, etc. Unlike other teachings about society, abstraction is alien to sociology. It receives data from the real world and uses scientific analysis to interpret them, which ensures the reliability of knowledge. Step 2. As a science, sociology was formed in the 19th century, although thinkers and researchers have been interested in the objects of its study since ancient times. There is no unified theory in sociology. Within its framework, there are many paradigms and approaches. Step 3. Sociology has its own structure, which includes theoretical, empirical, and applied sociology. Theoretical is focused on the scientific and objective study of society in order to obtain theoretical knowledge, which is subsequently used to interpret human behavior, as well as social phenomena. Empirical sociology is descriptive. She studies public opinion and moods of social groups, collective/mass consciousness and behavior. Applied sociology is closest to practice. It acquires knowledge for solving practical, vital social problems. Step 4. It is customary to distinguish 3 levels in the structure of such a science. The upper level is the level of general sociological theories and knowledge. At the middle level, sectoral, economic sociology, sociology of politics, law, culture, and special sociological theories, for example, family, personality, youth, are combined. The lower level implies conducting specific sociological research. Step 5. Also, depending on the level at which society is studied, macro and microsociology is distinguished. The first studies processes within society as a whole and large social systems, institutions, social strata and communities, and the second small social systems and interactions within them, social networks, relationships between individuals. Step 6. An important role for sociology as a science is played by the principle of historicity, taking into account the peculiarities of the time period and the context to which the event under study belongs. The availability of such information makes it possible to better understand the prerequisites of certain social problems, significant for the existence of society, and ways to solve them. Step 7. In the modern world, sociology is widely used in practice in such areas as education, public policy, public opinion research, demographic analysis, the study of human resources, mass communications, immigration, gender relations, the study of the quality of life of people, the study of organizations, etc. Thanks for watching.